Iwas traffic tayo guys. Shortcut muli. Right turn tayo sa N Domingo guys. N Domingo, San Juan. Yes guys, welcome to San Juan. Ayan na yung logo ng San Juan guys. Shortcut na naman tayo. Iwas traffic. Traffic guys. Welcome to San Juan City guys. San Juan City. I love you San Juan City. I love San Juan. Alright guys, thank you for watching. God bless you all. Hello guys. Yun pala sa kaliwa yung pinaglabanan marker. Ayan guys, so yan yung pinaglabanan shrine. Ayan guys. And Domingo pa rin tayo guys. Shortcut tayo. What's up guys? And Domingo. Ito yung dating City Hall ng San Juan guys oh. Oh, yan yung dating Old City Hall. Ganda pa rin guys. Tapos sa kaliwa naman yung Agora guys. Agora Market. Agora Market dito sa may Pure Gold Agora. Alright guys, kakaliwa na ako ng Blumentritt Street guys. Kakaliwa na ako guys. Thank you for watching. Alright, Blumentritt Street na guys. Dito sa kanto ng Agora. Agora Market sa loob. Tapos Pure Gold Agora. Wow, saya pa rin dito guys oh. Nakamiss naman dito. Alright guys, thank you for watching here in San Juan City, Philippines. Bye!